Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Good evening, everyone. Irgendwo in the world.
Hallo.
Hi. Hallo.
Wie geht es euch?
Alles okay.
Wie geht es dir?
Good. Sehr gut.
Ja?
Ja.
Das freut mich.
Ja, das ist wunderschönes Tag. Have a blessed day today. Bye-bye, couch. Goodbye. I like this. I like this spot. Goodbye.
Say again, goodbye.
Goodbye, couch. Dali raman. Hapit na po Pasko. Jesus, Ginoo ko. Sino naman? Nga naman ng panahon. Hello everyone. Merry Christmas. Prohes Fest. Alle zusammen. Und alle Leute mag Prohe happy. Make happy. Because today is the Jesus birthday. And everybody celebration, quiet celebration, and everybody wish what they want. This like this is nice for.
What you doing?
I'm beginning to learn how to professional architect painting. Yeah, I want to learn because at this moment now is not good weather, draußen outside, cold, so I have a time to explore myself, to learn how to paint.
Ja? Und hier drauf drückst. Dann folgt er nicht deinem Gesicht.
Ach so, okay. Ja.
Helen, die Palmen bei euch, wie alt sind die Ältesten?
80.
80 werden die.
Weil ihr in der Gegend wohnen, in den Philippinen, habt ihr auch.
Ja,
Deshalb interessiert euch das doch.
Ja. Das ist lange Leben des Palme. Das ist Palme. Good evening, everybody. Hello, majong buntag sa tanan. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening in the whole world. Ako na po ni si Helen Boholana. Ay, Boholana. Pars. Nein. Bitte. Warte mal.
Helen, einfach mit der Hand hingehen, die tun nichts.
Hey. Nih. Okay. Langsam. Now I begin to make a lumpia wrapper to roll in because it's cold now. Kind of shelly. And today I make my lumpia because last night I prepared and now cooking time with other food. Oh, look what I make today. So many. That is bihon. Maayong adlaw sa tanan. Hello. Good morning. Karong adlaw di ami sa Bad Kanistad Pork Fest. Rolling Pork Fest.
Kanvoorling.
Basen, yeah. Basen. Here in Stuttgart. Getting tired. Let me. Hi. Happy. I'm hungry. Gross. So bold. Time to drink. Ow. I want to play basketball now. Hello. We are here now in Frankfurt Airport. And we wait for check-in. Roast. Champagne. Good morning everyone. Today, first day in Bella, in my home place. This is now Rostock. First day, Rostock. Hi. Good evening. I'm here with my family, eating together with Litson. Wow, relax. On pool. Everybody is pool. When too hot, cheers. Drinking mango shake on pineapple shake on French fries. We are now in Manmit Forest in Belar. Very beautiful place. Very nice. What is this? The resort is not available. Somebody inside. We're waiting outside for cutting my hair. While waiting, eating Nova. Waiting for 35 minutes. Yeah, 11:05. Now it's 11:05. I'm standing here now in Cebu Centennial Hotel. Very hot. Hotel on restaurant.
Do you want me to take a picture of you?
No, not picture. Video. Yeah.
You do your vlog?
Vlog, yeah. I have a vlog. Yes.
You're a vlogger, huh?
Yeah.
Welcome to Cebu Centennial Hotel Mansion.
Okay. We are now in Cebu Quincentennial Hotel. We arrived. One very new, one nice place. We are here now in saan yung lugar?
SMC side.
And what we doing now? Looking for
I don't know.
games. I don't know.
Massage?
Ice skating. Asa na arcade?
Sige, kinga na ng arcade ka na sa ilang.
Hi, would you like to come in for a photo with Echo? She's up for another 2 more minutes before she goes in for her nap time. I'm scared. You scared? No worry, you can stand close to her, but you don't put your fingers near. Yeah. Wanna come in for a photo? Yeah?
Karong adlaw naami sa Marina Bay. Grabe kainit sa panahon. Dili mabangbang. Mo ni ang view sa Marina Bay. Today is so hot. Very hot. So I use this. We are here now for showing the animals. Now we're riding a bus for sightseeing in the zoo.
They like it.
Also have dog.
Three.